Over 60? Drink these 3 teas to rebuild muscle and walk strong again. If you're noticing your legs getting weaker, if walking feels more tiring than it used to, or if simple tasks like standing from a chair or climbing stairs leave you catching your breath, then pay close attention. Your body may be slowing down, but it doesn't have to stop. In today's video, we're sharing 3 simple teas, backed by ancient wisdom and modern science, that help you move better, feel stronger, and walk with more confidence. You don't need complicated routines. You don't need to feel stuck. These 3 teas may offer the natural support your body has been missing. When used consistently, they can gently support your joints, circulation, and energy, 1 cup at a time. Let's talk about the first one, Ashwagandha Root Tea. Ashwagandha has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine, known as a powerful adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to physical and emotional stress. And that's important because high stress isn't just something we feel in our minds. It affects our bodies too, especially as we age. Stress increases a hormone called cortisol, and when cortisol stays high for too long, it can rob your body of strength. It affects your sleep, your energy, and your recovery time. It can even interfere with how your muscles work and how motivated you feel to move. That's where ashwagandha comes in. Drinking ashwagandha root tea may help lower stress, improve mood, and support natural hormone balance, all of which can lead to more energy, better movement, and a stronger body. When your stress is lower, your body can finally focus on healing. Many older adults who take ashwagandha tea regularly report fewer aches, more stable energy, and even better sleep. And when you're sleeping better, your body repairs itself more effectively. To make it, add about half a teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root or an ashwagandha tea bag to a cup of boiling water and let it simmer for at least 10 to 15 minutes. The longer it steeps, the stronger the benefits. You can even add a cinnamon stick or a slice of fresh ginger for flavor. Then strain and sip slowly. You can add a splash of almond milk or a drizzle of honey to soften the earthy taste. But the real power is in the root, so let it brew, let it settle, and let your body absorb it fully. Drink it in the evening or at a time when you can relax. Let it calm your nerves and prepare your body to rest, restore, and rebuild. Ashwagandha doesn't give you a caffeine buzz. It doesn't mask your fatigue. It helps your body deal with what's causing the fatigue in the first place. And that's a deeper kind of support, the kind that lasts. If you've ever felt mentally foggy, physically drained, or like you're constantly running on empty, this tea might help change that. Over time, as your stress lowers and your energy becomes more steady, you may notice walking becomes easier. Movement feels less like a chore. Your motivation slowly returns. Tea number 2 is Ginger Turmeric Tea. This tea reduces inflammation, improves blood flow, and relieves tension in the legs. Ginger turmeric tea is a healing powerhouse, and you don't want to miss it. Let's talk about why it matters. Inflammation is one of the biggest hidden enemies of your body as it ages. It builds up slowly over time, creating stiffness, swelling, and that heavy, achy feeling in your legs, especially after walking or standing for long periods. Many older adults don't even realize their tiredness is being caused by inflammation that's been building inside for years. But when you drink ginger turmeric tea regularly, you begin to fight that inflammation from the inside out. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols. These work naturally to open up your blood vessels and get your circulation moving again. That means oxygen and nutrients can finally reach your muscles and joints where they're needed most. If your legs often feel cold, tingly, or weak, poor circulation could be the reason. Ginger helps address that gently and naturally. Turmeric, on the other hand, brings something equally powerful to the table, curcumin. It's one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatory compounds in the world. Curcumin helps calm your tissues, reduce swelling, and relieve joint stiffness. It's like giving your body a warm, golden bath from the inside. Together, ginger and turmeric form a perfect team. Ginger helps the blood flow. Turmeric calms what's inflamed. And the result? Legs that feel lighter. Joints that move more freely. energy that doesn't fade so fast. But the magic isn't just in knowing what to drink. It's in how you prepare it. To make ginger turmeric tea, bring a cup of water to a gentle boil. Add about half a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger and half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, or use slices of fresh turmeric root if you have it. Let it simmer gently for about 10 to 12 minutes to draw out the full strength of the roots. Here's the important part. Turmeric needs a little help to be fully absorbed by the body. So while your tea is simmering, add a pinch of black pepper. Just a little. That's all it takes to make the curcumin in turmeric up to 2,000% more bioavailable. Once it's done simmering, strain it carefully. Then pour it into your favorite cup. You can drink it warm or let it cool slightly. Some people like to add a squeeze of lemon or a spoonful of honey to balance the earthy flavor. If you prefer a creamier texture, a dash of almond milk or coconut milk works beautifully. The best time to enjoy ginger turmeric tea is either in the morning to wake up your circulation or midday to give your body a second wind, especially if you've been on your feet or doing chores. It's not a quick fix, but over time, it builds up in your system, slowly pushing inflammation down and lifting your energy up. Many people say after a few weeks of consistent drinking, their legs feel looser, the heaviness eases, and walking feels smoother than it has in years. And if you combine this tea with light movement, like a daily walk or gentle stretch, you're creating a routine that supports healing with every step. Ginger turmeric tea isn't flashy. It's not hyped, but its effects are real. It helps your blood move. It soothes your tissues. It protects your mobility. And when your legs stop hurting, when your knees stop aching, when you wake up without stiffness, it's not a miracle. It's simply your body finally getting the support it's been craving. The third tea is Ginseng Green Tea. If you've been feeling sluggish, tired, or drained, this tea may be exactly what your body needs to recover your strength and walk strong again. As we age, energy can slip away quietly. You may not notice it all at once. One day, it's a little harder to get out of bed. The next, a short walk leaves you winded. You may start skipping errands or avoiding movement just to save strength. But your body still has the ability to generate energy, and ginseng green tea is one of the most powerful natural tools to support that process. Let's break it down. Green tea on its own is already known for its antioxidant power. It contains a group of plant compounds called catechins, which help protect your cells from damage and improve your body's ability to burn fuel efficiently. But when you combine that with ginseng, a root used for centuries in traditional medicine, something even more powerful happens. Ginseng works as a natural stimulant, but not like coffee. It's smoother, gentler. It supports your adrenal system and helps your body use energy more effectively, without the crash that comes from caffeine. It's known for enhancing stamina, improving focus, and giving your body a sense of alert calm, especially useful for people who want to stay active without feeling overstimulated. Together, ginseng and green tea support endurance. They help improve blood circulation, mental clarity, and energy production in your cells. The result? More drive, more consistency, more strength in your daily steps. And the benefits go beyond just the physical. Ginseng has also been studied for its effects on mood and motivation, both of which are critical when you're trying to stay consistent with healthy habits. Let's talk about how to make it properly. To make ginseng green tea, you have a couple of options. If you're using a pre-made ginseng green tea bag, simply place it in a cup and pour hot, not boiling, water over it. Let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. Green tea is delicate, so don't use boiling water directly. Let the water sit for a minute after boiling to cool slightly before pouring. If you're preparing it from scratch, bring about a cup of water to just under boiling. Add a small slice of dried or fresh ginseng root, about 1 inch is enough. Let it steep gently for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, remove the ginseng and add a green tea bag or a teaspoon of loose green tea leaves. Let that steep for another 3 to 4 minutes. Strain the tea and sip slowly. The flavor is slightly earthy with a light energy kick. If the taste is too strong, a little honey or a splash of lemon can brighten it up. The best time to drink ginseng green tea is in the morning or early afternoon. It gives you a steady lift without making you jittery. It's perfect before a walk, before light chores, or even just to set the tone for the day. And just like the other teas we've talked about, consistency is key. You don't need to drink it every single day, but 2 or 3 times a week can make a noticeable difference over time. The more regularly your body receives its natural support, the more steadily your energy builds. Imagine this: waking up with more motivation, going for a walk without feeling drained halfway through, finishing a full day without collapsing from exhaustion. That's what ginseng green tea can help support. And the change doesn't come overnight. It comes cup by cup, steady, gentle, and lasting. When your body feels awake, your steps become stronger, your thoughts become clearer, and life starts to feel easier to keep up with again. Now that you know the 3 teas, Ashwagandha Root Tea, Ginger Turmeric Tea, and Ginseng Green Tea, let's talk about how to use them in a weekly routine and fit them into your daily life. You don't need to drink all 3 teas every single day. What matters most is consistency and balance. Let's start with the morning. For most people, energy is low when they first wake up. Muscles may feel stiff. Legs may feel heavy. That's the perfect time for ginseng green tea. It gives you a gentle lift. It clears your mind. It supports circulation and helps you feel ready to move, whether you're taking a walk, running errands, or just staying productive at home. You can have ginseng green tea with or after breakfast. If you're planning light exercise or chores, it's the perfect companion to keep you going without a crash. Now let's talk about midday. This is when many people hit a slump. After moving around in the morning, the legs may feel tired. The joints may feel warm or swollen. That's where ginger turmeric tea comes in. Around lunchtime or early afternoon, it can help calm inflammation and boost blood flow. This is especially helpful if you tend to experience swelling in the feet or tension in the knees after standing. By sipping ginger turmeric tea consistently, you help your body recover as it moves, not just after. It's like fueling a car during the drive instead of waiting until it breaks down. And then, there's the evening, the time your body is preparing to rest, rebuild, and heal. This is when ashwagandha root tea can do its best work. After dinner, when the day is slowing down, make a warm cup. Let it settle your nerves. Let it quiet your thoughts. And give your muscles and mind the signal to finally relax. Ashwagandha is not a quick-acting sleep aid. It's a calming companion. With time, it teaches your body how to restore balance. And when you sleep more deeply, your recovery becomes more complete. You wake up more refreshed. And walking no longer feels like a chore. If you rotate these teas, morning, afternoon, and evening, across your week, you'll begin to notice a rhythm. Your energy will feel more predictable. Your muscles will feel more supported. Your legs will carry you more confidently from place to place. And if drinking all 3 every day feels like too much, that's okay. You can alternate. For example, on days when you're doing more physical activity, start with ginseng green tea in the morning and follow with ginger turmeric in the afternoon. On quieter days, skip the ginseng and go straight to ashwagandha in the evening. Let your body guide you. Some days you'll need a boost. Other days, you'll need to wind down. These teas aren't strict prescriptions. They're tools. Use them as needed. The goal is not perfection. The goal is progress. Steady, slow, lasting progress that helps you feel strong again. And as you build this rhythm into your week, remember, this is about support. This is about giving your body the help it needs to do what it was designed to do. Move, heal, and thrive. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Healthway for more practical health tips that support you as you age. We're here to guide you with simple, science-backed advice to help you live well every single day. Thank you for watching. Take care of your health, and we'll see you in the next video.